Hello everyone, and welcome to the Do-It-Yourself Gourmet. Today, we are making a vegetable and carrot mixture that is useful in many different ways. It starts with a teaspoon and a half of turmeric, a teaspoon of salt, and about 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil. You're going to let that get nice and hot, and then you're going to start with the carrots, get them nice and coated with the oil, spread evenly around the pan, and as soon as that's done, give it about a minute and a half, move it around, give them a nice little sweat on it. And right as they start to sweat, with a nice fire on medium to medium high, you want to make sure that pan is preheated. And then after that, you toss in the Brussels sprouts. Now they have been shaved, and so they are nice and thin. And you're going to let them sweat on top for about 30 to 45 seconds before you give them a shake up and get them mixed up, because that's going to get the moisture that's coming off of the carrots to start going into the top of the Brussels sprouts, so that when they go, they can be nice and soft but not mushy. And they'll have a sear, but they won't be chewy. Now, in between that, after you've had a chance to let it go for about 2 to 3 minutes, you're going to add garlic, more salt if you like, perhaps pepper. And then when it's mixed around, you're going to put chicken stock, vegetable stock, or whichever you please, about a 1/4 cup to a 1/2 cup, depending on how much you have in there. And you're going to cover it for another 3 to 4 minutes and let it get soft. And then mix it around and let it saute at the end. And then you can take it off here, and it's a parcours. Or, if you let it go a little longer, you can brown it and caramelize it and serve it as a main dish. Now, unfortunately, it got eaten so fast we don't have a final picture here. Do-it-yourself gourmet, folks. Thanks for watching.